What is switchback LED turn signal light? Switchback LED is one bulb with two colors, white and amber. Which are usually used to replace front turn signal lights, not rear turn signal lights. What vehicles can be installed switchback LED turn signal bulbs? The OEM halogen bulb must be dual filament and works as two functions: turn signal light and daytime running light, or turn signal light and parking light. Dual filament bulb can be designed with two colors, white and amber. Amber light is high power, works as turn signal. White light is low power, works as daytime running light or parking light. These LED bulbs are used to replace OEM halogen bulbs directly. So the same functions, but with two colors, brighter and cooler. Why can't some vehicles be installed switchback LED turn signal lights? Type 1. The OEM halogen bulb is single filament. If the OEM halogen bulb is single filament, these switchback LED bulbs don't work on it. For example, if you use 7443 switchback LED bulbs to replace OEM 7440 halogen bulb, the amber light will work, but the white light doesn't work, because 7440 is single filament. Type 2. The stock power cable only has two wires. The OEM halogen bulb is dual filament, but the switchback LED bulb doesn't work. Why? Because the stock power cable only has two wires. One is positive wire, which is connected to amber light. Another one is negative wire. There is no positive wire for the white light. Type 3. Dual filament bulb with three power wires. Still doesn't work. The OEM halogen bulb is dual filament, and the power cable has three wires. But switchback LED bulb still doesn't work. Why? The manufacturer said the bulb works as turn signal light only, no other functions. So, you can check your front turn signal light bulb, whether it also works as other functions or not, such as daytime running light or parking light. If it works as two functions, the switchback LED bulbs will work. Switchback bulb size. Lasfit Switchback LED turn signal lights include three bulbs size: T7443D, T3157D and T1157D. Definitely, if you prefer pure amber turn signal lights, we carry pure amber LED turn signal bulbs for your option.